Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make this butterfly TikTok trend video on CapCut. So the video will look like this. So it actually has the song Begin from Manskin, and I'm not going to hear you the song. So yeah, that's basically the video look like, and I'm going to just show you how you can make one. And first, just go to CapCut and then go to template, and in here you can just find the fall cock barrel here, and the video of this trend, the template. You can just use this. There are so many videos that you can choose, but I'm actually use the first one that show up. And here I'm going to just click on use template. So for this template you need to prepare like 7 photo. Just click on use template and choose the photo that you want to add to the template. So for example, I'm going to add 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Click on next, and your bottle cock fall TikTok trend video will create it just like that. Remember that this template will have the song Begin from Manskin, and it will make the video looks good with the song, but I can't listen to you the song. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on thanks, leave a comment, subscribe this channel, and like this video. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.